was your sleep, my sweetheart? That's good. How's your stomach doing? It's feeling better. No, that's good. What about your head? Do you still feel a little bit sick? No? That's good, my sweetheart. I'm glad you're feeling better. No, can I get you anything? Okay, we can cuddle, okay? Come here. Come on, let's cuddle. Come on close. I want to keep you really, really warm. There we go. It's gonna be the three of us soon. I know it's wild. It is. We're gonna have a child of our own. Something that we always dreamed of, huh? Having our own little baby. I mean, it's gonna be scary at first, you know? Our first child together. But I think with me and you, we can figure it out. I think we can figure anything out together. Our baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. Sweetie, let me give you a little belly rub. There you go, that makes you feel better, huh? Your skin is so smooth. I think I can feel the baby moving. I think the baby's kicking a little bit, huh? Look at that. A little miracle in your belly. It is. It's wild. I mean, I still can't believe we're gonna be parents soon. And I know you're gonna be such a good mother. I can tell. Of course you're gonna be a good mother. Don't worry about it, princess. You're so kind and nurturing. You're gonna be the most perfect, beautiful, hottest mother there is. You're finally gonna be a MILF. Oh, princess. You're gonna do great, okay? I don't want you to worry, 'cause I want to be there every single step of the way, okay? I'll be by your side. I mean, yeah. Of course I'm gonna be a good father. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love the baby. I'm gonna be the best father I can be. And the best husband I can be. I promise. I mean, you and the baby. You guys are my everything. You guys are my absolute everything. And I'm gonna do whatever it takes to protect you and the baby and to take care of you and the baby. So, don't worry, okay, my little princess. You know, when I first saw you, I was so nervous. I was so nervous to go up to you. You are so beautiful. was scared. I was scared to come up to you. But I'm glad that I did. I was so shocked when you gave me your number. I was surprised and excited. And when I took you on your first date, it was magical. It was. I still remember what you wore and the perfume that you were wearing. You were so amazing. You were so kind. You were so nice. You were so loving. I loved everything about you. I really did. I mean, I fell madly in love with you that day. I really did. It was beautiful. And look at us now. Look at our journey. We're gonna have a family soon. I know. And I'm really glad to share this journey with you. I love you so much, baby. I can feel the baby kicking. It's kicking kind of hard now. Are you okay? Your stomach hurts a little bit. Okay. Let me get you that heated water bottle, okay? Give me 1 second. And I'll be back, sweetie. Here you go, sweetie. I got you your water bottle. Here. Let me put on your belly for you. There you go. Doesn't that feel better? Glad it feels better, sweetie. Of course. I would do anything for you and the baby. Absolutely anything. Here. Come close, let's cuddle tight. There you go. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in the world. Your eyes are really something special. It's, it's the way that they spark when you talk about something you love, It's a little bit distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it too much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those eyes? Those beautiful eyes that you have. I'm serious. Like, when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. You have like a unique beauty. And I can't help but notice. I know, they look lovely. But honestly, sweetheart, you gotta be very, very careful, okay? Because with eyes like those, right, you might just steal someone's heart without even trying. In your lips. I mean, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You really do. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. It's like everything fades away but me and you. And I feel so lucky to be here with you. And when you speak, I could listen to you for hours. Your voice combined with the way your lips move just mesmerizes me. It makes everything you say feel so special. Your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness in them. It makes it comforting to be close to you. I mean, sweetheart, you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are just, a part of it. And then your hair, I just love your hair. I love brushing your hair behind your ears. I'm serious, your hair it's beautiful. It looks soft. I like the way that it shines in the light. It does. And it frames your face so perfectly. And I love the way how your hair feels when I run my fingers through them. It feels so silky. And sometimes when you let your hair down, it's like, wow. It's like a whole new side of you comes out. You make beauty look so effortless. And sometimes I can't believe how lucky I am to be with you. You're just amazing. You are. You're so amazing in so many ways. And it all makes up your beautiful face. Every time I look at your beautiful face, I get lost every single time. Your features are so soft and perfect. And I love every single detail about your face. From your eyes, nose, and lips. It just all comes together and it takes my breath away. And how your face lights up when you see me. And I feel like you're lighting up my whole world. You make everything seem brighter. Even if I'm having the worst day.